Everybody, it's Nadia here again, and I'm bringing to you a me wearing YouTubers' favourite products. And basically I looked on their channels to find out what they actually were loving and in the favourites, and I was like, let me get some of these together and see. I will actually put all the names on the screen for you so you can know who I'm talking about. And I'm really impressed. The one thing that probably let me down was the CYO. There is actually a couple bits in there that aren't technically somebody's favourites, but then I put them as my favourites because I like them. Hopefully you enjoyed this. Hope you guys enjoy me applying YouTubers' favourite makeup. And here's me applying it. I'm just going to tell you what I've seen that people like. So the first one is the BECCA Under Eye Primer. And this is by Mel Thompson. She absolutely swears by this. Maybe because I don't wear makeup every day, I don't actually see a difference. If I was using it every day, then maybe I would. It's nice, but it's not necessary for me. So then the next one was a primer. This is an old one, but this is the Ordinary, and this was recommended by Wayne Goss a long time ago. I don't know if it's still his favourite, but I just remember he was the one that got quite a lot of people onto the Ordinary skin regime. This is dedicated to Wayne Goss. This one isn't, but a lot of YouTubers still use this, and this is the MAC Prep and Prime. I didn't know who to dedicate this one to. Then this is the CYO in Long Lasting Foundation. This is Tatalia. She swears by this, absolutely swears. It's my first time of ever using it. My real techniques, and just see. Yeah, these are just the things that I had in the house so that I could actually do this video. I didn't want to have to go out and buy special products. Testing new products for testing YouTubers' favourite products. This is definitely not full coverage. I don't even know what the claims are, so for me this is just light coverage. I can still see my pores, and the Ordinary works beautifully. I can see my pores, I can see on my chin pores. It's not gone nice in between my middle of my forehead. It's more like number 7's this National Essential. That's what I'd say, but that's got more coverage, and I'm not knocking it because first impressions, guys. Then I've got the NARS. This is by Jacqueline Forbes, and she likes the NARS creamy concealer. So I was, let's see. Oh, this is darker than the foundation. It hasn't covered under my bags. It's blended nicely, but it hasn't given me what I want out of it. For Shanexo, she loves the Bare Mineral concealer, and I'm going to use this. So I'm just going to go in with a beauty blender and just... Oh no, I can't use that. That's too dark. She also likes the Kat Von D Locket one. I do as well, so I'm going to use that instead under my eyes, and that's where I like it. And I like using the beauty blender because it it helps to push the product into your eyes and you don't feel like it gets really cakey. So I'm actually not mad about this. I quite like this. This is the Too Faced Peach. I've not heard many people rave about it, but then I have, and I'm like, it's more the powder one, but I've only got this one just to set this all down, and I'm looking pasty. This one's is my favourites. I'm just going to use it because I like it. This is Mel Thompson's favourite bronzer. It's the JOUER and it's in Sunlight. She goes between the two and she's an NC20, which is what I am, so I'm just going to... That's beautiful. That's really nice. She's the one that actually made me buy this, and she's the one that actually made me think of this video. You get some YouTubers that make you buy things. This is one, and I ain't mad. I really ain't. This is so nice. It's so light. You can build it up, and you're not putting loads on. So for blush, I've got the Natasha DENONA Blush and Glow. It's the mini one, but again, this is because of Mel Thompson. If she hadn't have done her video on it, on the Natasha DENONA ones, I probably wouldn't have brought this, but because she did, it made me want it. That is beautiful. Do you know when people say, oh yes, try this, and you're like, but does it work? It works. This is what, she just buy the makeup? She's on Beauty News, and this is the Oh Darling. Again, never used it, but I'm going to rectify it. And I'm just going to go in with, and just see. Oh, that's nice, that's nice. Oh yes. So I've rectified it at last. I think I must have been the only person on the planet that didn't have it. It has emphasised my skin a little bit, but oh, look at that highlight. That highlight's on fleek. Yes, thank you. The next one is, and this is a weird one again because everybody talks about this one. Put this down to everybody on YouTube, and this is the Gimme Brow. There's no particular one person, everybody talks about this. I'm just going to do my brows. That's my brows on. The next is the setting spray. This is by Casey Home. She loves the Urban Decay. So I was like, yes, I can get on board with that. The next two are Andrea Matilina. I will put all the names in at the points that they need to be. But basically, Colourpop. She's got a big collection of Colourpop. And this one is the She palette. And then we've got the Golden State of Mind. And this is all glimmers. So I was like, mix them both and use them. So starting off with, I'm just going to take this one just here, and I'm just going to put that through the crease because there isn't really a crease colour. My cat's trying to kill herself. And then I think I'm going to go into the orange colour and put that in as well, just on the outer part. And then I'm going to go in with this red, and I'm just packing this on. And then I think I'm going to go into this one just here and just put it all over my lid. And then on my brow arch, I think I'm going to go into this one just here on all my baby hairs, because I need to block my eyebrow. And then I'm taking that pink underneath. That looks good. And then I'm just going to blend just so they're a little bit more seamless. I've got an angry cat that's not happy with me. Then I'm going in, and this is only because I like it. It's the Perversion mascara. Try not to get it all over your lids, guys. And then for lips, I'm going to take my MAC Intensity, and this is by Kitsch Stitch, who also does Beauty News, and she was the one that got me onto this. Again, it's not been used, you can so tell. Oh. So guys, this is the finished look of me using YouTubers' favourite makeup. Now, yeah, I've tried them, but putting them all together in a video, I just thought was such a brilliant idea. I hope you enjoyed this video. A bit different from what I normally do, but I love it. I really do. If you guys enjoyed watching this, then would love you to hit the subscribe button, tap the bell, and it'll let you know when I bring out another video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.